Welcome back. You're watching Financial Planner. If you have any questions or comments about the show, if you just want to drop me a line, write us at financialplanner@utvmoney.com. Now let's look at a term, lump sum investing. People talk about it all the time. What does it mean? I don't know. Let's ask Sumit. Sumit, what does it mean, lump sum investing?
Okay, in an era or in an environment where systematic investment, or SIP as we call it, is becoming much more fashionable and much more advisable, it's very important for us to understand what is lump sum. Lump sum basically, in a very simple terms, mean that I've got a large lump of money lying with me, and instead of investing over a period of time, I just go and take a call that I want to invest this particular money in either a mutual fund, directly in stock, or a fixed deposit, or a post office at one point of time. So that means I've got 10 lakh rupees and I decided one day that I want to go and invest 10 lakh rupees today in equity mutual funds or today in equity market, or today I'll go and buy a PPF worth that much of PPF, doesn't make sense, or any other bond worth 10 lakh rupees at one point of time. That's what lump sum means.
But is that good? Is that a good way of investing? Because I can understand lump sum investing if you're coming into money, or maybe you get a check or you get a bonus, you have that extra money, you want to invest it. But what would you say about people who say, hey, I'm going to invest only at X amount of time, X amount of money? How does it compare to a SIP? Which one do you think is better for a regular investor? Not if you have extra money, regular investors.
A lot depends on the asset class which you choose out here. And the broad asset classes are fixed income, which is debt, equity, gold, which is commodity, and real estate. Now, depending on the asset class, it depends whether you should invest lump sum or should not. In case of fixed income, there's no problem. You got money and you need to get into allocation into fixed income because there is no stock prices which is going up every day. You go and invest your money, you get regular return on that. So lump sum and fixed income, not an issue. When it comes to equity, do not try and do lump sum. You should always try and average it out. That's where either systematic investment plan in a mutual fund or systematic transfer plan where you invest in liquid fund or a debt fund from where systematically money goes into equity is always much better. Reason for it, rupee cost averaging. It works. Averaging works in equity. If it comes to real estate, it makes sense because most of your real estate will only happen if you do lump sum. The only other option will be if you go and take a loan.
Right.
And gold is almost like equity. Do not try and time it at one point of time. So asset allocation or asset class is very important for us to determine what to be lump sum, what not to be lump sum.
Right, and to your point that, especially if you want to go in for lump sum investing, don't go put it all in equity because that would be akin to gambling, some would say. Because
very true.
Depending on what the markets, and the markets are incredibly moody. There's no way of knowing what's going to happen today, what's going to happen tomorrow. You take all your money, you toss it into shares. Who knows, the market crashes tomorrow, you lose all of your money.
So right. In fact, Smriti, there's some recent studies conducted which have proven that 90% of portfolio return comes out of asset allocation. That means don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread it out. And I think you're spot on. Do not invest all lump sum into equity. Spread it out across asset classes, and within equity, make sure you're not investing at one point of time. You are taking a benefit of rupee cost averaging.
Okay, all right. On that note, let's wrap up the show. If you have any questions, thoughts, emails should come to me at financialplanner@utvmoney.com. We're now airing Tuesdays and Thursdays, so you can catch us on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5:30. Sumit Vaid is a regular guest. You can catch him again on the show, so make sure you come back. Sumit, many thanks for coming on.
Pleasure.
That's it for now. From the entire team here, goodbye.